What's up, everybody? I wanted to have my YouTube call out video up already, but unfortunately when I arrived home from Sunday from the YouTube call out, I had quite a surprise when I pulled in my driveway and hit the garage door. So as you can see here, this leads down to my lower level of my house, my first floor, and it's taped off, and there's a good reason for that. So let me run around and we'll walk through and see it. Wrinkled up everywhere. I pulled up to the garage door here and noticed it was a little wet on the outside, hit the automatic garage door opener, and it was a river just flowed out. Looked like a dam had bust, and it looked like one of those State Farm commercials with insurance claims where the whole house flooded, which is really the lower level was completely flooded. It had 4 to 5 inches throughout the whole level. Let's go inside and check it out. As you can see, it's quite a mess in here. They have a bunch of fans running. It's pretty loud. The whole garage was completely flooded. Like I said, it had 4 to 5 inches. All the ceiling on this side had to be gutted. All the insulation. I have blown in insulation, and that was just washed out of the walls and all down the driveway. And it didn't stop here. It goes right on inside to the rest of the house. This was at one time all finished and painted in a really nice area. So inside's tile floor. This was all completely flooded. Here's the curtain. Closet had normal closet stuff, was just totally saturated with water. They cut the drywall up, got all these fans and dehumidifiers going. Unfortunately, when the water hit on top of that wall there, went down into my ductwork and down inside the air handler, so now they want to replace the complete HVAC system. Water heater was completely soaked, washer dryer, they had the dryer actually out of here now, but all that was completely soaked. This floor was all carpeted. Get some lights on here. So they ripped all the carpet up, cut the drywall out, and they pulled the carpet up, pull all the padding out, and then tried to dry the carpet out. They think they can save the carpet, but I don't know how much water this had in. Probably 2 or 3 inches at least. All the furniture's moved around. It's really loud in here. There's 2 fans going, but this also got completely flooded. Had to rip walls out, insulation out. It's just a giant mess. So this is my little disaster anyway. Cause of this whole situation here was one fitting. It's a PEX tubing and it has brass fittings, and they're paper thin and they just snap off. What actually happened is this fitting right here broke. It was up right there, and that it was spraying on both sides of this wall here, so it went into the laundry room and that bathroom on the other side, and sprayed down on the garage floor here too. And just like I said, I don't know. We left Friday, didn't get back till Sunday, so no idea how long it was actually running, but quite a mess. I did go through the house. Every fitting I could find I changed, and as you can see here, there's a lot more that were corroded, and that one actually snapped the next day. Fortunately, we were here to shut it off, but all of these fittings are just junk. It's not like the house is old either. So there's definitely a lesson to be learned here. Definitely, if you go away, even for a couple days, probably a good idea to turn off your water so you don't end up with a mess like this. Even if your house isn't very old. Mine is, it's not that old. It's not like it's 20 years old, or not even 15 years old, so you just never know when something like that. It's probably rare, but probably better to be safe than sorry.